Char Broil Grill warning. This video contains controversial facts. Proceed here at your own risk. We're going to go through the TRU-Infrared grill, and this video contains some facts that you need to know about the 3-burner cart-style gas grill. Now, this is an exclusive stainless steel finish, increased style and reliability. TRU-Infrared cooking technology prevents flare-ups, delivers even heat, cooks juicier food, 450 square inches of cooking space, great for cookouts. This features a 24,000 BTU spread across 3 stainless steel burners and a 10,000 BTU side burner. This is an Amazon exclusive offering, easy to use and very versatile. The side burner is ideal for preparing sauces or while you're grilling. When it's not used, just close the lid and it keeps it clean. The lid also will prevent the wind from blowing and cooling your stuff down. Infrared heat prevents hot and cold spots from grilling on the surface. That way you don't have some parts of the grill that's hot, other parts that are cold. Durable, long-lasting performance and stainless steel burners. Also has porcelain-coated grates, which are durable, bind blasted well over 20 years. This prevents flare-ups and delivers even heat. Swing away arm on the right to help you grill. Customers are just loving this. 5 stars. Again, another 2 more 5-star reviews. Now wait, hold on. There's something else that you're almost ready to check out here. Take a look at this. As a special bonus for reviewing this, valued at over almost $300, we're going to give you some free stuff as a thank you. It's easy, and all you need to do to get one or all of the bonuses, add this Amazon product to your cart. You don't have to buy it. Just click on the link down below, add it to your Amazon cart, and then in the description underneath, leave a 1-word description like wow, or barbecue, or Thanksgiving, beer, whatever it might be. Then after that, go down a little farther and look for this link, georgepauly.com/bonuses, and then you'll be directed and you can get your free bonuses. Now it's your turn. Click the link, put it in the Amazon cart, and then get your bonuses. Have a great day and enjoy your grill. Thank you.